Good evening, it's me, April, and I'm here at Herman Sherpan. I'm here and I keep checking what to order. So I finally asked them what is their best food here. Dessert, maybe we can have Turkish lava, two garlic paratha, kunafa, two shakes, or maybe any drinks that I can take, and then one chicken chatarabut. So guys, while we are waiting, now the food came. So this is a chat karabogi. Ali hai is isatme with this one. Puri, so let's try. I guess the best is naan. The chicken, by the way, it's really tasty. Naan is always the best partner from the barbecue. Wow, my God, I love it. Wow, it's really amazing, guys. I wasn't expecting this good. Oozing with cheese, with the bell pepper inside, and oh my god, it's a heaven for me. The Oreo shake, and you know how much I love chocolate. So finally, guys, Turkish lava. It's really, really good. Full of cheese, but it's so heavy. Now the kunafa is here. That's sweet. Cream is perfect, crunchy, so good. It was a wonderful night. It was really perfect. So anyway, see you next time.